Welcome to Raising Your Standards, Innovations in Accreditation Management with Armature Fabric, the podcast where we explore the exciting world of accreditation and how cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing the way organizations manage it. I'm Andrew Bryden, and I'll be your guide on this journey. Together, we'll dive deep into the challenges, solutions, and success stories that make accreditation management more efficient and effective than ever before. This podcast is brought to you by Armature, the creators of Armature Fabric, the game-changing accreditation management software trusted by accreditation leaders around the world. In each episode, I'll share insights from technology leaders and industry experts who are at the forefront of accreditation management to help you navigate this key area of your organization. So whether you're a seasoned accreditation professional or just starting your journey, get ready to discover new strategies, best practices, and the latest trends that will take your accreditation management to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Let's get started. Today, we thought it would be useful to break down some of the components of our accreditation management software, Armature Fabric. Over the last 2 decades, the Armature team has worked hand in hand with our accreditation and certification customers to create a software product that's capable of managing both straightforward and complex data collection needs and workflows. We're constantly identifying new and better ways of doing things and responding to new scenarios faced by these customers. So we thought it might be useful to break down the features and functionality within Armature Fabric to demonstrate some of the components used by our customers to manage their accreditation and certification life cycles. We'll start with 3 of our most important components: CRM, process management, and what we call data collection instruments. Let's start with CRM. Our CRM module captures information relevant to accreditation and certification use cases. Customers can track organizations, programs, structures, contacts, and profile information, and captures historical actions and activities that an entity has undertaken. This includes the processes that they have been involved in, such as applications, audits, self-studies, reviews, any decisions made, and a whole range of documents that have been uploaded, any issue history, and history of communications. The goal is to enable accreditors to be able to access any information about any entity quickly, easily, and effectively. Moving on to process management, this module enables you to configure processes and workflows to match the way your organization manages things. You'll be able to set up easy-to-follow rules that allow users to take action and auto-complete workflows, or auto-advance to the next set of activities, configure milestones, and allow users to create, assign, and track tasks as part of any workflow activity. Our instruments module. Instruments within Armature Fabric are a means of collecting data about an organization, a facility, maybe a product, or a program such as a degree program. Instruments can include application forms, self-assessments, audits, surveys, or reviews. Armature Fabric enables you to visually configure all types of instruments using rich content, standards, ratings, questions, and findings. You can also enable comments, issues to be captured, and document and evidence uploads for specific items. When configuring these questions, you can choose from a range of options, including text such as short form or narrative, choice buttons like radio, check down, drop down, or a list box, numbers, whether it be whole, decimal, currency, or percentages, date and times, and document uploads. You can also reference one or more criteria, things like standards and best practices, from pre-built catalogs, or add your own configurable text. Ratings and findings can also be captured against criteria, and you can weight those ratings to help measure effectiveness as per your business rules. Let's talk a little bit about dashboards. So Armature Fabric uses configurable dashboards that are embedded in each area of the application, and these provide an overview of activities and progress. Each dashboard is configured for the type of user who is accessing the software. For example, a staff dashboard may provide an overview of how many site visits are currently in progress, how many issues are currently open, or how many tasks are currently assigned to you. Staff dashboards can help you visualize trends and outliers, explore summary information, and track overall performance. Each of our dashboards include click-through functionality that allows you to quickly access and take action on the records relevant to the specific data shown in your dashboard. If your dashboard shows there are 2 issues, for example, you'll be able to click directly through to those issues and address them as needed. Because Armature Fabric allows you to have multiple personas in the system, for example, staff, volunteers, they may be site visitors, for example, or organization representatives, each dashboard is configured specifically to meet their needs. As well as these core features, Armature Fabric comes shipped with many more modules and features to support the business of accreditation and certification. These include things like reporting, document management, publications like email and document templates, continuous professional development, and beyond. We're looking forward to telling you more about these additional features in a future blog. For now, thank you for listening. And that's a wrap for this episode of Raising Your Standards, Innovations in Accreditation Management with Armature Fabric. I hope you found today's insights valuable and that you're inspired to explore new ways to excel in accreditation management. Be sure to visit Armature at armaturecorp.com to learn more about Armature Fabric and how it can transform your accreditation process. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider leaving a review on your favorite podcast platform. Your feedback helps me bring you the content you love. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if you have questions, comments, or ideas for future episodes, reach out to me on social media or through our website. Thanks for joining me on this journey of innovation in accreditation management. Until next time, keep working to raise your standards.